Hi guys, you and I know that Facebook Marketplace is now dominating the entire marketplace. Yes, and a lot of people have been using the same opportunity to sell their products via Facebook Marketplace for a long time. So I'm doing this video for the new people that wanted to be selling their products via Facebook Marketplace. Join me on this video. Let me show you, because I have a product now that I want to sell via Facebook Marketplace. So you can just watch this video so that you can be able to do the same thing and be selling your product via Facebook Marketplace at the comfort of your home. Join me. Let's do it together. First thing you're going to do is you open your Facebook app. So once you open your Facebook app, you are going to click on the three icon at the top left of the app. You'll see it here. You click on it. Then you will now go to Marketplace. Then you click on the Marketplace. Then you wait. Then you now click on this cell. After you click on the cell, we have the listing dashboard. So you can list item, vehicle, and properties for sale or rent. So you understand. But for this video, I want to sell phone. So I'm going to click on items. It's going to take me here. Then this is where I'm going to add all the information of the product. So I'm going to click on the add photo of the product. So here are the product. So I'm going to input the product. So I'm adding the product. So I'm going to click on next. So as you can see, the product are now visible here. So these are the products. Although they are requested for 10 pictures, you can add one, you can add two, any one of your choice, in as much is going to be visible. So these are the products. So I'm going to, now the next thing now is to add the title of the product. So I have the title copied, so I'm going to paste it here. I'm going to paste it here. So this is the title of the product. So I'm going to add the price. Should be, for the sake of this video, let me just put one price. As you can see, this category, because Facebook recognize the product name, so it will automatically change the category to mobile phones, because the product is phone. Shey you understand? So there's no point of looking for the category if you want to add your product, because Facebook is going to recognize the product name. So any product you put and Facebook does not recognize the category here, you can now change the category, or you search for the category by yourself. But if not, Facebook is going to choose the category by itself. So the next step is we're going to go to the condition. So we have new, we have use like new, and we have use good and use fair. So for this tutorial, this product is definitely, the product is new. So I'm going to click on new. Then I'll now come here and add my description of the product I am selling. So I already copied it, like I said. So I'm going to paste it here and add my phone number here. So the reason I'm adding my phone number, just because mostly people will send you a message if they want to buy the product via Facebook Messenger. But unfortunately, most time Facebook, maybe there is wrongdoing of, I don't know, maybe your post, Facebook might just lock you for 1 month, 2 months. You understand? And there's no way, if somebody want to buy the product, send you a message, there's no way you can respond to the message. That is why somebody like me used to add phone number. It is initially optional. It is optional. You understand? But to save the to be safe, so I have to add the number. So if you can't get me through DM, if you want to buy the product, then you can call me directly or chat me via WhatsApp. So that is it. And you can even tell AI to help you write the description of the product here. So, and I think we are done here. Maybe in the next video I can just tell you or show you more function here. But for the sake of this video and the new people that wanted to be selling their product via Facebook Market page, let's just do it like this. Then you now click on this published. So as you can see, the product is already published in. So let's wait. Now the product is under review. We have two options here. Facebook will review the products. After they review the product, if the product is okay in their marketplace, they are going to approve it. And if the product is not okay, they are going to decline it. And if the product asks some certain things you need to do, they are going to send you a message to edit the product. So the product is now under review. So let's check how it looks. As you can see, the listing is in review, and there is a button here that you can click when the review is done. Either they approve the product or they decline the product. This is the notification that is going to tell you. So you now on the notification, then you wait for the notification. So let's wait and see if they're going to approve the product or not. But definitely 100% they are going to approve this product, because this product is original and good product. Let's wait and see. So let's check now if our product has been approved or not. They've sent me a notification on my system, so let me check from here too. As you can see now, our product is now available. People can now buy it via Facebook Marketplace. As you can see, this is our product. The product we just posted. So as you can see now, this is our product. The product we just listed via Facebook Marketplace. These are the products. And if you like the product, you can buy it as well. Oh. The product will get to you if you want to buy it. So let's go and search for the product. If truly we have it via in the marketplace. So I'm going to paste the product details. So I'm going to paste. I've already copied it. So this is the product. So let me search. Now this, can you just see, just listed. This is how you are going to be listing your product via Facebook Marketplace.